Alright boys, today it's all about the tires and wheels. And this is what you're going to need to get these clean. Okay, so I'm going to apologize right now about the noise, if you can even hear me. I'm outside at rush hour, so it's kind of hard to hear what I'm saying. So anyways, first thing you're going to start with is your Meguiar's. You're going to want to turn it to open. You're going to want to spray down kind of get it covered like that. And now you're going to let it do its stuff. So normally on a dirty wheel and tire, the foam is going to start to turn to brown, like a yellowish brown color, and kind of drip down the tire. That's when you know it's ready for scrubbing. So for instance, we're going to, but because I take good care and wash these weekly, there's not a whole lot of dirt. So you're going to take your brush, and you're going to scrub and 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 scrub. Until the outside is nice like that. Next step is your drill for your wheels. I'm gonna have to do this with two hands. So, as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. I know there's still a lot of dirt and stuff. Unfortunately, it's not really dirt. It's the paint coming off. Previous owner from Hibiscus Motorsports had painted these, and the paint is really crappy. So you can see it's coming off there, it's coming off here, but that's okay because we want it to come off so it'll be silver. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process and show you how to dress the tires after. Oh, God, it keeps coming, Jesus. So something you want to also pay attention to is that your front brakes are going to be, your front wheels are going to be way dirtier than your rear. This is due to the increase, I guess, responsibility? I don't know the word for it. Basically, your front brakes do most of your braking. Therefore, they create more brake dust, which is all that nasty dirt you see around there. These were cleaned last week, and they look like this again. So, that kind of shows you how the rears compare to the front when it comes to cleanliness, which is why I clean them every week. So you want to make sure you really get a couple good layers of this stuff on there. And this Meguiar's hot rim wheel and tire cleaner is really potent and really powerful. Be careful when using it also. I would recommend being in a well-ventilated area. So yeah, now we're gonna continue scrubbing. Now you want to really make sure you get in there and wipe out any of the loose dirt, because I don't have any hoses or power washers to use currently. So we're doing this old school. Now, normally I would use a tire wet or tire dressing kind of spray, which I do for shows and stuff like that, but because it's just on my daily and it's got some, you know, just run-of-the-mill stuff, I use this stuff to dress it, and it usually lasts all week, if not more than that, so it's pretty good if you just want to spray it on your daily. It's basically spray it, forget it, and it adds that nice oily shine that everybody likes in their car. So that's what I'm going to go dress it with now. So I'm going to try to get out of the way for this because there's, you know, a shadow. But essentially, you just want to take it, cover the entire rubber part with it. It's going to sound nice and foamy. You probably can't hear because of the background traffic if you can hear me at all. So you should do that, forget it, it's going to clean it, which we already did, and then it's going to dress it, and it's going to look all good. So this is them when they're dry. They're not really dry, it's kind of still wet, but it'll kind of dry out as you drive in the centrifugal force. Fling some of the oil off, but it's basically like a protectant as well. Keeps them looking nice. So yeah, thanks for watching.